Microphone issues on Windows 11, such as not being recognized or not working, can be frustrating, especially during important calls or recordings. These problems can stem from hardware issues, misconfigured settings, or software glitches. Below are solutions to help you fix these issues and get your microphone working correctly on Windows 11. Solution 1. Check hardware connections. Start by ensuring that your microphone is physically connected to the correct port on your computer. For USB microphones, try switching to another USB port to rule out port-related issues. Inspect the microphone and its cable for any visible damage, as this could cause connectivity problems. Solution 2. Select the correct microphone. Open the sound settings by right-clicking the speaker icon in the taskbar and selecting Sound Settings. Navigate to the Input section and make sure your microphone is selected as the default device. Adjust the input volume slider if necessary, ensuring the microphone isn't muted. Solution 3. Run the Audio Troubleshooter. Windows 11 includes a built-in troubleshooter designed to resolve common audio issues. Navigate to Settings, then to System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters, and run the Recording Audio Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions to diagnose and fix the microphone problem automatically. Solution 4. Update or reinstall audio. Drivers, outdated or corrupted audio drivers, can prevent your microphone from working. Open Device Manager and locate your microphone under Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click the device and select Update Driver. If the issue persists, uninstall the driver and restart your computer to allow Windows to reinstall it. For additional assurance, visit the microphone or sound card manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers. Solution 5. Adjust privacy settings. Windows 11 has privacy settings that control which applications can access your microphone. Go to Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Then Microphone and verify that microphone access is enabled for both the system and specific apps. If the toggle for an app is off, turn it on to allow access. Solution 6. Restart Windows Audio Services. The Windows Audio Service is essential for managing sound devices. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Locate Windows Audio in the list of services, right-click it, and select Restart. Check that the startup type is set to automatic to ensure the service starts correctly during boot. These steps should help resolve microphone issues on Windows 11, whether caused by hardware, software, or configuration problems. If the microphone still doesn't work, consider reaching out to Microsoft support or your device manufacturer for additional assistance.